Hello everyone, and welcome to Epicooler English, the official channel dedicated to the home comfort revolution. Today, I am presenting an exceptional launch offer, reserved exclusively for our viewers. But beware, counterfeit copies and imitations of the Epicooler are currently circulating on unauthorized websites. Many buyers end up with defective products, with no possibility of a refund or support. The solution is simple. To get the certified original Epicooler, you must order through the official manufacturer link available below in the description of this video. By ordering through the official link, you benefit from all manufacturer guarantees, including the 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not fully satisfied, you will be refunded in full, no questions asked. Plus, our real English-speaking customer service is here to assist you at any time. But what exactly is the Epicooler? It is an innovative climate control device that uses evaporative cooling to refresh the air naturally, healthily, and ecologically. Warm air passes through a special wet filter that absorbs heat and instantly releases a fresh, pleasant breeze. Even better, it is a four-season device. Thanks to its integrated PTC ceramic heating element, you can also use it to stay warm in winter. It offers 6 operating modes: low, medium, high, turbo, eco, and night, all controllable from a distance by remote control or via its touchscreen. Forget traditional air conditioners that are noisy, heavy, and extremely expensive to run. The Epicooler consumes 75 to 79% less energy. Already over 8,000 satisfied customers worldwide, with an outstanding rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. Click the official link in the description right now to reserve your original Epicooler at the special introductory price of around €140. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any of our reviews and guides. See you soon on Epicooler English.